Niggas thought I fell off, huh? Nah. Let's go. Nigga, please miss me. Before I crazy to you. What up? I'm trying not to spill no blood. Nigga, please miss me. Before I turn into young bleed, I'm trying not to spill no blood. Niggas, please miss me. Before I turn into young bleed, I'm trying not to spill no blood. Niggas, please miss me. Before I turn into young bleed, I'm trying not to spill no blood. All of my life, I've been dream chasing. Got disappointed with myself.
Chicago's on Mr. 16, man. GTM, we the gang, RWR. You already know what it is, my bro. Skater.
Back down, I'm different. Niggas still basic. Leader of the squad. Yeah, bitch, the new temptation. Rough in times 3. With a lot of haters, niggas stuck on the stairs. I'm cruising in an elevator.
We got my we got the shit finally finna drop. I know everybody like, oh, he keep getting us this day. We gonna put it out, man. We gonna put it out in June, man. The Yummy Era, y'all can go get that, man. We're gonna put a couple singles on iTunes, man, for y'all to just breathe on until it drop. The Yummy Era, it's gonna drop in June, man, and shit, that's what we working on.
We drilling and don't mind killing you niggas, you pussy. We graduated from little to bigger. We winning. Our belly full, so we fasted for dinner. Real drillers never panic. We come from the trenches. This a real drill. If you ain't never seen one, I keep a rocket on my hip, cause bitch, I'm about to drill something. Pause. Okay, I'm good in my headphones.
Nigga, knock this shit out.
Oh, it's gonna be one take. I promise.
Shit out. One time, shout it.
Yeah, Bam got me nervous.
Please miss me. Before I turn into young bleed, I'm trying not to spill no blood. Niggas, please miss me. Before I turn into young bleed, I'm trying not to spill no blood.
Man, I got some. We was just working on the record. As a matter of fact, man, got the new single and the video coming out for it too, man. Drilling, featuring my big bro Prophet Jewel, God King Prophet Jewel, and 418 Willie, man. Crazy record. And we got a whole lot of other potential features. Well, they ain't really potential. They like features that I just can't speak about now because we ain't got all the details and shit worked out. But you can expect like quite a few features because there's a lot of artists that I've been, you know what I mean? Oh, shout out Nola Mac, man. We definitely got Nola Mac on that project. Yeah, we definitely got Nola Mac on the project. Shout out 8-9 Music, man. Cold Steel, Black Mike. Both of them definitely gonna be on the album. And just the other features I just can't speak on just yet, but you can expect some.
Killing you niggas, you pussy. We graduated from little to bigger. We winning. Our bellies full, so we fasted for dinner. Real drillers never panic. We come from the trenches. We drilling and don't mind killing you niggas, you pussy. We graduated from little to bigger. We winning. Our bellies full, so we fasted for dinner. Real drillers never panic. We come from the trenches. This a real drill. If you ain't never seen one, I keep a rocket on my hip, cause bitch, I'm about to drill something. Pause trick, 40 Glock, that's when I drill something. Minus your baby mama, even though them chickens love it. I be double tapping pics up on my Instagram. You hit my DM with no BM, mark your shit as spam. I'm moving 8, so hit my line, it's 65 a gram. Coke prices going up, but clientele, damn.
You know, just being truthfully, I like that a lot of artists in Chicago grinding and working hard to, you know what I mean, get there. I think it's a lot of fool shit going on in the music, you know what I mean? But like, I guess they doing whatever it take to get them out the situation, you know what I mean, that they in. I'm from Chicago, so shit, I know. But I guess it's cool. I fuck with a whole lot of Chicago artists, man. I fuck with a whole lot of them, you know what I mean? A lot of them I know, a lot of them I don't know. And I still, you know, I still fuck with them.
It's that ill shit, drill shit, nigga. Did the shit that make your mama wanna kill shit. Pop a pill shit, relapse and go and chill shit. Who the fuck? Point them out if they don't feel this. This that ill shit, nigga. Drill shit, nigga. This that shit that make your mama wanna kill shit. Pop a pill shit, relapse and go and chill shit. Who the fuck? Point them out if they don't feel this.
And then we got another engineer on deck. He say what he say. And then if it's right, I'll ad-lib it.
many times you're told you never really get it when you're young, but you learn.
Shouldn't be crazy.
It's weird how through
Prophet said he had that bitch done about a mile, you know.
Right.
He said send it tonight.
And I remember when I said never have I with a guy with nothing to lose but I was wrong. Because the only person more dangerous than someone with nothing to lose is someone who stands to lose everything.
Damn, it didn't catch it from the beginning?
I had the track muted.
Oh. I'm finna say.
Here,
Our bellies full, so we fasted for dinner. Real drillers never panic. We come from the trenches. We drillin' and don't mind killing you niggas. You pussy. We graduated from little to bigger. We winning. Our bellies full, so we fasted for dinner. Real drillers never panic. We come from the trenches. This a real drill. If you ain't never seen one, I keep a rocket on my hip, cause bitch, I'm about to drill something. Pause trick, 40 Glock, that's when I drill something. Minus your baby mama, even though them chickens love it.
Just EQs mostly. I mean, that's the key to any good mix, is EQing everything right. Everything else is just icing.
Yeah, you don't use like you don't put like no compressor on it, or
Generally there's always a little bit of compression on everything.
right.
Minimal, very minimal.
Graham, mark your shit as spam. Gone. Here. But clientele, damn. Money, 90s. Skirt. Veer. I'm still flying. Yep. They don't feel this. Shot City, yeah. That's my city, yeah. Can't you tell the way I move them all gritty and I'm showing no love to none of you fuck niggas. Put a hole in you and whoever the fuck with you. This that ill.
Man, shit. Hey, it's if you listen to all other Chicago artists and then listen to me, like I think that question will speak for itself. Like I'm different as hell. Like my flow different. I ain't just every 2-3 words. Hey, like I'm really like spit bars, and like anybody don't know that and all of that shit, go view my videos, go, you know what I mean, go anywhere and look up Mr. 16, man, and y'all will really get up close and personal, and to just know that I really be spitting. And I'm just, you know what I mean, like I ain't trying to be too personal. I want everybody to have a good time, but we do got personal records and shit like that. But I just think my versatility, I can do anything. I can rap on any beat. I can rap about anything. So I would say versatility.
Griffin with clippers and I ain't never missing. 16, nigga, and it's my summer. Niggas fags on the low, you niggas undercover. Now I'm fucking the game and I ain't got a rubber. You ain't prepared for death cause you ain't see us coming.
Snapping pics up on my Instagram. You hit my DM with no PM, mark your shit as spam. I'm moving 8, so hit my line, it's 65 a gram. Coke prices going up, but clientele, damn. I've been getting money.
Like, all the family, you know, I'm gonna be on all the family shit. Like, you know what I mean? Everybody at RWR, they already know how we rock it, man. That's the fam, they rocking real hard right now. We got a couple artists that we dealing with, man. So, shout out Kiko, man. He got a project coming out too, man. Don't Count Me Out. Shout out Kiko, man. Shout out Rari. Shout out Boss Man. Shout out Smack, man. Beezy, Mike Larry, out the whole motherfucking RWR team. It's a new female artist too named Lyric, man. Y'all look out for her. She dope as hell. But like just on the family member shit, man. And that God King album too coming up too, man. Prophet Jewel. You can expect me on that, man, and be looking for my boy 418 Willie. New shit too, man. Gonna be dropping real soon. On YouTube, man, just type in Mr.16 and get in tune with all the videos and shit we got up there. And hit me on Instagram, man, King, King _ the number 16 _ back, BACK. Same thing on my Twitter. Facebook, Rob Banks, ROBBANKS. You know what I mean? We got a music page on that too to just keep people in tune with the dates, show dates, and you know what I mean, new videos, just new music period we be dropping on there.
Oh yeah, you can hit my Instagram at MYCIRCLE SMALL. My Circle Small.